Hello friends, it's Daryl again. Today we've got a couple of car repair videos for you. This is my 2009 Mercury Mariner, and I bought it about 1.5 years ago. And it had a couple little issues on the back that I never really bothered with before now, but yeah, I was at the junkyard and I thought, why not fix these things while we're here? This little chrome trim badge in the bumper has a big spider crack right here where something bumped into it and hit it and cracked it. And then the same thing with this reflector on the rear corner. You can see a chunk of it's missing right there. And yeah, see, this is a 2009, so it's what, 13 years old? They made this body style through 2012. And if you have a Mercury Mariner between the years of 28 and 2012, this will apply to your vehicle because they have the same side marker reflectors and the same back trim panel on all of the Mariners, regardless of what model it is, between 2008 and 2012. And we're going to make 2 videos today, one to show you how to repair each of these things. And it's actually pretty easy. Let's start with the back trim panel here. We're going to open the hatch, and I'm going to show you 2 different ways or things that you might want to know. Well, nothing fell out. That's a good thing. But you can see I went shopping for parts. Over here in the corner there's a bunch of parts. And let's see. Where are we at? Oh, okay. We'll start with the junkyard itself. It's a self-pull yard. I went in and I found this is the only nice one they had there. And they charged me $5 for that, which is really a great deal because you can't even get that anymore from Ford. But here we go. It's held on by a series of clips right there. There's a little lock tab with a little raised up clip, and as this presses through the bumper, those clips engage and hold it in place. So all you have to do to get it off is depress the clips a little bit and it pops right out. I found that it was much easier taking it off if you raise up this plastic panel here. And that's not hard either. That's just pressed into place, one screw on each side right there that hold this in place as you're lifting it up. And that looks like a Torx bit or Allen wrench, I can't tell. But you could also pop up the back edge just enough to reach down in there. So you really don't have to take it all the way out. If you grasp gently here and lift up, you'll feel how it pops out of place. You can hear it, and you can see me working across and popping it up. This one's stuck, but we'll try and work around that without taking it actually all the way off. Because once you get it peeled up like this, you can see the tabs going down there, and you just need to depress those tabs and it'll pop right out. And when I was at the junkyard, I didn't have a good tool with me. I used a screwdriver and it worked fine to push down on those little tabs and pop it out. Now I'm using the screwdriver and it actually works a little bit better. You can look down, see where the tabs have all been released coming across. There's another one right here that hasn't been released yet. So watch this. I push down, I pop out, and it pops right away. Look at that. All the top ones are popped away right now. And now I can do the same thing with the bottom. And if you don't know where they're at, you can take your new piece here. I hope we didn't pop that back into place. There we go. You can take your new piece and you look here where the M is, just about 1.5 inches or 2 inches to the left of the M. There's one underneath. So we go under here like this, push in and lift up, then that'll pop out. Look at that. Next one is just to the left of the E. We reach in and lift, it pops out, snapped right off. Look at that. Now we can get a better view of the cracks here. You can see it, once it's off, you can actually see in the light. It goes from the M, then it goes down that way. Look at that. That broken area is a lot bigger than it looks when it's actually on the car. Now to replace it, we just line everything up and gently push the new one into position. It's really pretty easy. I decided to wipe it all down really good to get any dirt and debris out of the cracks and any grit that may be behind the panel. So it's all nice and clean now, wiped off, and we're ready to install. See if we can do this one-handed so you can watch. We're going to hold it in place, line it up, and then just look at that. It's snapping right in. All the way across. Look at that. Right into place. And then go the other way with this. And there you go. Look at that. A cracked trim panel replaced in less than 10 minutes. You can do it yourself, save yourself some money, make your car look nice again, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Watch my next video to learn how to replace this side marker reflector. Have a great day, and bye for now. On eBay, this trim panel sells for $40 used, including the shipping. I got it for $5, and $141 to $240 for a brand new old stock piece, which is a lot of money for a hunk of plastic.